If you eat garlic every day for 30 days, what happens to your body? Within the first week, you'll notice a stronger immune system, thanks to garlic's antiviral and antibacterial properties. Garlic is rich in vitamins and minerals, including vitamin B6, vitamin C, selenium, and manganese. But its real magic lies in a compound called allicin. When you chop or crush garlic, it triggers a chemical reaction that releases allicin. This is the source of its unique smell and many health benefits. By day 12, garlic begins to have an effect on your heart, where it helps lower cholesterol levels and blood pressure, reducing the risk of heart disease. By the third week, the detoxification effects of garlic begin to show, helping to protect your organs from the toxic effects of heavy metals. On day 30, you may feel an increase in overall energy and well-being. Your digestive system is smoother, the risk of chronic diseases is reduced, and even your skin may show small signs of inflammation.